Some people pray 5 times a day and still don't feel connected. Here's why. Number one, rushing through it. When you treat salah like a chore, you miss the chance to speak directly to Allah. Slow down. Number two, thinking about everything except Allah. Work, food, people, everything shows up in your mind except the one you're standing in front of. Number three, not knowing what you're saying. You say Allahu Akbar, but do you feel it? Learn the meaning. Salah will change for you. Number four, fidgeting. Fixing your sleeves, checking your phone or looking around, it takes away the khushu. Number five, praying with your body, but not your heart. Your forehead touches the ground, but your soul is somewhere else, and Allah deserves more than that. May Allah help us pray not just with form, but with focus, with presence, with love. Because real salah softens hearts. I mean,